My name is Tony Pollock. I'm a full-time trader, and in this video, I want to show you why trading is not going to make you millions of dollars. See, when I first started trading, I lost everything multiple times. I found myself sitting back frustrated with, I should be making money already. I should be here. Why can't I do this? I should be further along than I am. I know a lot of you can probably relate with that feeling. Like, why can't I do this? Why can that person make money and I can't? I've gone through all these courses. I've spent money on training. I've done all these things and I still can't make any money. What's wrong with me? What is the deal? The thing that separated me from everyone else that's tried to trade full time and has failed is that I didn't allow those things to define who I was. I didn't measure myself against my future of where I think I should be. I was grateful to be exactly where I was right then. As soon as you can realize that you are exactly where you're supposed to be, that everything that you are going through right now is exactly what you need to go through to learn what you need to learn. You see, trading doesn't make you millions. See, trading is simply just a mirror that shows you your weaknesses. And most of the time that mirror hurts and people either crawl from it and doubt it and run away from it and make an excuse about why they won't change, or you can listen to it and you can change. The thing that will make you millions is knowledge. And trading gives you the experiences to give you the knowledge that you need to make millions. That's the difference. Stop trying to trade and start allowing yourself to learn the lessons that the markets are trying to teach you. When I first started, they would like, Tony, you are not patient. I kept losing money because I simply wouldn't hold on to a position long enough. When it didn't look good, I would just exit out of it. And then later on, that trade would go on to win and I'd go, oh. And the markets are trying to prove to me a lesson. They're trying to open my eyes to a lesson that I needed to learn. And so once I stopped being frustrated about how much money I was losing and me trying to make the money back, and I just simply sat back and said, what do I need to learn from this? And start applying that right now to my trading. Okay, I'm not going to make that mistake again. I'm not going to repeat that. I'm going to learn that lesson. I'm going to apply it into my trading. I'm not going to try to revenge. I'm not trying to try to make back my money. I'm going to be grateful for the lesson that that money allowed me to learn. And once you start to realize this, there is no other way for me to learn that lesson except to go through this. Open your eyes and allow yourself to see the lessons you need to learn. Because with that knowledge is where the money comes. You see, I could lose everything right now, but I don't lose my knowledge. And with that knowledge, I can go get another trading account and I can make even more money than I've ever made in my entire life and make it all back faster than it ever would have taken me before. Realize you are exactly where you are supposed to be. Every struggle, every frustration is there for you. It's not happening to you, it's happening for you. And as soon as you can open your eyes and realize this, you will start getting the success that you desire. Every brick of knowledge that you learn is going to eventually build your dream mansion in the future. If you can be content with where you're at right now. Stop thinking you should know this. You should be profitable. You should be able to do that. Stop thinking that, because all that's doing is lowering your self-worth, lowering your motivation, increasing the frustration, and increasing the pressure that you have to achieve something by now. Stop, sit back, and start thinking about what the markets are trying to teach you about yourself. Because if you can start making those changes and start becoming who you are supposed to be, those are the people that make the most money in the markets. Everyone knows how to trade. Why is it that only a certain amount of people actually bring in consistent money and keep that money? It's because those people are the ones that have learned the lessons that all the losses have taught them. They realize that without going through that, without having that much pain, they would never open their eyes to that one lesson. And that one thing, that one nugget is what unlocked all of their profits in the future. Be grateful for it, my friends, and realize you are not here to trade to make money. You are here so that trading can open your eyes to your weaknesses. And as you fix those weaknesses and bring back your new and improved self every single day into the markets, you will start getting rewarded and have a life greater than you've ever imagined. Realize, my friends, you are exactly where you're supposed to be. That's okay. You've had losses, you've had frustrations, you've had setbacks. That's okay. They're all there for you. After losing everything 5 or 6 times and living on credit cards and trying to fund an account with a loan and all these other things, the only reason why I made it and someone else didn't was because I was grateful for all of those lessons learned. And I opened my eyes to what I needed to learn by going through this. Hopefully this helps, my friends. Stand back up, keep going. If you need help to be able to see how you can overcome some of these barriers and learn these lessons, please come join us over at Real Life Trading. Click the link below and you get a free trial for 2 weeks to come join our community and learn how trading can shape you into your very best self. And as you become your best self, money will unfold unto you like you never thought possible. This video is sponsored by Apex Funding. We are a proud partner with them to help give you a trading account to trade futures.